Hi guys, I'm just doing a quick update video. This is bedroom, the master bedroom floor. This is a quick update from the floor I'm installing. Right now, everything is installed. We have all the molding. This is the master closet. Come over here to the bathroom. As you can see, everything is put together. It's a huge house. So that's the side of the bedroom. We're not in the living area. You can see everything is complete. This is a huge living space. Look at this guy. It's huge. We're in bedroom number 2. You can see it's all complete. Closet. Going to the kitchen. Kitchen area. Everything is complete. That's a laundry room. The floor complete in there also. There's a small closet right out the kitchen here. So I've been working on this project for 6 days now. Finally complete. This is a bathroom, second bathroom. Two-way door. And this is the final bedroom. It's also have a closet. So yeah, this is the corridor, the front door area. I'm sure the front door. Yeah, so that's a complete job. Again, thank you for checking out the video. My name is Dennis. Also check out dghandy.com. That's dghandy.com. I have more pictures there. You can check it out there. Have an awesome day. Thank you guys. God bless.